our newer updates, we now have the ability to add product descriptions in documents and contracts. This feature allows your business to add detailed descriptions to products in documents and contracts, enhancing clarity and understanding for your clients. Let's talk about those benefits. First of all, this is going to enhance communication because it's going to provide a clear and detailed explanation of products and services within those documents. It's also going to streamline your process. Now you can add new products and descriptions directly in the document without needing to navigate away. It's also going to give you a professional presentation. This is going to improve the professionalism and comprehensiveness of contracts and agreements. As far as practical use goes, now a business creating a contract for a new client can include detailed descriptions of each product or service offered, ensuring the client fully understands what exactly is being provided. As we all know, clarity is the way to go, and this really helps. So let me show you exactly where this is located. So you're going to need to add a new document or contract. So to do that, you're going to want to be under Payments in the left-hand navigation, and then in Documents and Contracts in the upper navigation. Then you're going to want to click Plus New, or if you need to, you can always edit something existing. Now, once you're in there, you're going to add that product list element. You'll do that by clicking the plus icon and going to the product list and dragging that over. Once you're there, you're going to click on Add an Item. Then you're going to go ahead and select a product and a price. Now you're going to select the auto-populated description. Now you can go ahead and edit that description and go ahead and click Save. Adding product descriptions within documents and contracts really enhances your client communication, and it's going to streamline the contract creation process for you. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.